Okay, so you're telling me next week we get two cosmic light shows at once? A meteor shower and a partial solar eclipse. That's not just cool, that's the universe flexing. I mean, what are the odds these events line up? Probably astronomical, pun intended. But let's unpack why this matters more than just pretty lights in the sky. First, the Perseids. Yeah, it's the best meteor shower of the year according to the CSA. But here's the thing, this isn't just about counting shooting stars. We're talking about debris from a comet slamming into Earth's atmosphere at 59 kilometers per second. That's 200,000 kilometers per hour. When I hear numbers like that, it slaps you with perspective. We are riding a rock through space, and sometimes, Earth punches through a swarm of ancient cosmic dust. That's not just a look how pretty moment, it's a reminder we are inside a dynamic, chaotic system. Now, NASA compares it to driving into a snowstorm. I love that analogy, but let's go deeper. When you see a meteor, you're witnessing a particle no bigger than a grain of sand burning up 80 kilometers overhead. Multiply that by 100 per hour, and you realize how thin our atmosphere really is. It's like Earth's batting away mosquitoes with a shield that's barely 100 kilometers thick. That's humbling. And the eclipse. Total eclipses get all the hype, but a partial one fascinates me more. Think about it, Newfoundlanders will see the sun carved into a crescent, like some celestial Pac-Man took a bite. But here's the kicker, this isn't just a local event. The same physics that dims the sky connects to Spain and Iceland having front row seats. It's a literal alignment of the cosmos. Yet, how many people will glance up, shrug, and miss it? That contrast kills me. We are capable of sending rovers to Mars, but we'll ignore a giant shadow passing overhead because we are too busy doom-scrolling. Langlois says the further from cities, the better for viewing. Duh, right? But this isn't just about light pollution. This is about modern life's disconnect. How many of us have schedules that keep us indoors after dark? I'll bet most people's night sky is a lead ceiling lamp. The Perseids demand you lie on your back in the cold, waiting. That's radical in 2026. It's an act of rebellion against screen time. And the tech advice? A heating blanket and hot chocolate. Perfect. That's the Canadian way, practical stargazing. But here's my hot take, this advice reveals something darker. If the best equipment is comfort gear, it means accessibility matters more than gadgets. You don't need a telescope, you need patience and a clear view. Which makes me wonder, how many urban kids will never see a meteor because they can't escape the light smog? That's a crisis of connection. Let's zoom out. These events aren't random. The Perseids happen every July-August because Earth's orbit is a racetrack with potholes. Swift-Tuttle's debris field is one. We are so good at predicting this now that we name-drop peak nights. But what's fascinating is how this predictability contrasts with life's chaos. Your job, relationships, politics, all unstable, yet we can book a meteor shower date a century ahead. That's cosmic irony. And the eclipse. Partial eclipses outnumber totals because the moon's shadow is a lousy painter, only part of the canvas gets covered. But if you're in Newfoundland, you're luckier than most. Wait, why does that location win? Geometry. The curvature of the Earth, orbital angles, it's all calculus and luck. Which makes me think, how often do we credit human achievement for natural alignments? We didn't engineer this, we just showed up at the right time. Humility again. So here's my final thought, these events are free, universal, and indifferent. They'll happen with or without our applause. But the act of watching. That's a choice. In an age where we filter reality through lenses and filters, lying on your back to see ancient light is almost revolutionary. It's not about the meteors or eclipses themselves, it's about reclaiming a primal awe. And honestly, We need that now more than ever. What do you think? Are you ditching your phone to watch, or are you part of the problem?